Just up there we've got a great spotted woodpecker. It's just went in the hole, it's feeding the young in the nest.
It's in this big ash tree.
It's a big ash tree, I think, yeah.
I've actually been looking for these since early, like, early on since we've been coming out.
I actually like it.
It's just come there. It actually went right in. I thought something.
It did, aye.
The young ones like popped the heads out, didn't they?
I normally just, when they're that big, like one will come straight to the front of the hole.
It's just feeding it through right into the hole, isn't it?
Aye, it's just feeding them there.
It's the great spotted, isn't it?
Aye, the great spotted woodpecker.
Do we get the lesser spotted up this way, or is it just...
I'm not sure.
They look similar though, don't they?
Aye. I'm just hoping I'm getting a good clear focus on the hole. Because it's quite high up in the tree, and when I'm zooming in it blurs out. I'm having to zoom back out a bit. I think I've got it in reasonable focus there. But it's on a really steep angle, really high up on the top of that ash tree. And there's a lot of hazel tree at the bottom here where we're hiding. Got like a small window.
Hopefully you can see it all right. We've just got to find the green woodpecker now.
Aye, the green woodpecker will be a bit hard.
It didn't take long to come back the second time, did it?
No, it was back within a minute or something. But you can hear them young up there, they're all quite big. We'll get one more shot of it coming back in again.
Like how you found it? Or just walk past this
There it
big
is,
ash?
aye. It's just went back in again.
I can see it, I can see people moving now.
It's just below the hole. It's moving around a bit.
Yeah, it's a way back now.
From the entrance of the hole, feeding them there.
The hazel branches are kind of blown all over now.
Ah,
aren't
they're
they?
spoiling the view. The wind's picking up, the birds are way there. Like.
I've seen the reason we found that because when we walked past the tree you heard the
We're,
chicks.
we're walking under the path here, and you could hear them as clear as day. They're that big.
We've got them a few times there coming, haven't you?
Aye, about 3 times I think we fed them. Shall we try for one more?
Aye, we'll give it one more time.
We'll give it like
They've
another.
been coming back.
Aye.
Quick, haven't they?
Because it's catching them at this right size when they're actually in and out feeding them. That's the only opportunity we're going to get a film of them.
Well, you're never going to get a shot inside there.
Aye. I think I can hear another one there.
It must be quite big though.
Oh, aye.
I remember seeing one years ago and I was watching, you could see the little heads of the young popping up.
Aye, when they're really big, just about to fledge, they're really up in nest then, aren't they? It's a race to the front of the hole to see who can get fed first. I think they have about 5 young, don't they?
So I was expecting the rain.
Ah, feeling the rain now.
But, I mean, this is the first shot we've got of this great spotted woodpecker.
It is, aye. It's brilliant.
And it's perfect because it's...
We're just trying to make the best of it. Got a 5-minute video of it.
It has the rain.
Aye. You can tell when the parent bird comes back because they start getting really loud, shouting for food.
There's see if we can get one more shot. And
we'll
call
give it
day,
another
that's
couple
it.
of minutes because it's actually, the weather's a bit stormy lately. We'll give it another couple of minutes.
Well, it wasn't that nice this morning, was it, when we got up? But
No,
then it kind of cleared up a bit.
it turned
again,
out alright, and then it is forecast for showers
I
and
think
that.
it's kind of heading back to the rain again.
Aye.
Should be coming back.
Aye, they've been back regular. We've got a good view of it there, so we'll try for one more. I've just seen a bird come back. It's on the back of the tree there. There it is. You can hear the young making a lot of noise when they know the parents there, even before it gets there. Gets to the hole. That's a weird. Right, so that's enough of that footage, and we'll get ourselves away now because it's actually starting to rain quite badly. So we'll head on lucky today on that one.